Chad Crouch with MarineMax, and we're looking at the newest consigned 350 SLX Sea Ray 2020 here at Lake of the Ozarks. Fresh water, purchased new from MarineMax. This boat is loaded with spotlight, windlass, all chain, stainless steel anchor, has the bow filler cushions. This has the dune interior with the brown sea deck snap-in. This boat has the 8.2 liter 380 horsepower. It has the Mercury Bravo 3 drives. This has the newer redesigned transom seating, refrigerator, grill, wet bar. This has the optional sliding sunroof. Also has the twin Simrads with the joystick. Any questions, give us a shout. Chad Crouch, 573-434-9558, marinemax.com. Thank you.